Okay.
Yeah, requested for access.
Yes, sir.
So here see, the size is 5M means we are giving the current size for
Yes, right.
this data file. So we are giving the 5 MB size only. Okay. And then we are enabling the auto extend. Okay. And then next 5M means when your given 5 MB size will be full, then it will automatically add 5 MB more size in the data file. So it will become the 10 MB. Okay. So it will when it will again full means like occupied this 5 MB size, then again it will automatically add a 5 MB size. Means it will add 5 MB, 5 MB, 5 MB up to 32 GB.
Yeah, got it.
Okay. So
Right.
this is your current size. And this means like we have enabled the auto extend. Okay. And with
Yeah.
the 5 MB size only means it will not directly after 5 MB if we will not give the next 5 MB. So after this 5 MB directly it will extend for 32 GB directly.
Okay, got it. Bye.
Okay. But if we
Yeah.
given after extend on, if we have given the next 5 MB only, so it will increase with only 5 MB, 5 MB, 5 MB up to 32 GB.
Okay, bye.
It will not directly give the 32 GB size. It will
Right.
increase with 5 MB size only.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. So this is the mean of this complete command.
Got it. Got it. Bye.
Okay, na?
Yeah, got it.
This is the current size. This is we have enabled the auto extend, and next 5 MB is what the given size we have given the current size. So after this, when means like this size will be occupied, then automatically it will add the size whatever we have given for next. So it will automatically
Yeah.
add that much of size in the data file. When it will again use those files, so it will again extend the data file size, whatever the size we have given in the net. So
Got it.
this is the command means this command things, and it will like extend up to unlimited. Unlimited means as I told you, the max size file max size of a file is 32 GB. So it will extend up to 32 GB.
Yes, right. Bye.
So yeah, now the
Things is
data
created.
file is table space is created. Now
Yeah,
again
got it.
we will check the table space. Here we are seeing the only default, but
Yeah,
now
right.
we are giving the
Yeah, we got it. By tablespace auto extendable as
me
the data file name is test is rest1.dbf.
yeah.
So file name.
Okay. So here you can see this is the test table space which we have created right now,
Yes,
and
right. Bye.
auto extendable is on.
Showing us.
Okay.
Okay.
And what I will do, I am going to create a table space without auto extend on. We will
Okay.
just
Bye.
create. Okay. So here we need to create a table space, create table space, test 02. The first one is 01. I am creating the 02.
Okay. Bye.
Data file. We'll give the data file name 2.dbf. Okay. And size is 1M. I am not giving anything here. Okay.
Yes, right.
Yeah. So we have created. Now
Yes, bye.
I am executing the same command again.
Yeah.
And for the newly created table space, it will give the auto extend no. Okay. So if
No.
it's giving no for this data file, so how we can enable it? So how we can enable? By using alter database data file.
Okay.
And give the data file name. No need to give the table space name, because in a table space, if we have a multiple data file, then we can enable auto extend for one data file. Is means like we can enable it for one data file and we can disable it for one data file. Okay. Or we can have auto extend on for all data file, or we can stop the auto extend on for all data off for all data file. Means
Okay.
we can, like, if a table space have the like two data file. Okay.
Yes,
So
right.
one data file we can enable the auto extend, for second data file we can disable it. There is no impact.
Okay.
Okay. But if you in a table space you are having a data file, okay, and that table space, suppose here we are not having auto extend on for this data file. Okay.
Yes, yes.
I am now I will show you first I will show you how to add a data file in a table space. Okay.
Okay.
So then after I will show you how to enable the auto extend on or off a table space.
Sure.
Okay. So
Yeah.
what happened here in test 02, we have a table data file with auto extend.
Well, no.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now I am going to means like I have shown you how to create a table space with auto extend on or without auto extend. Okay.
Yeah.
Now I am going to show you how to add a data file with auto extend on. So alter table space, and table space name is test02. Okay.
Yeah.
Add data file. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is the why we are adding a data file. Suppose on the production database, sometime we got like our given data file in a table space. Whatever the data file we have, all the data file space is full. Now we need to add one more data file in that table space. So this is the command. By using this command, we can add the table space, or means
Right.
we can add the data file. So what I will do, I am adding one data file dot dbf, and the next one is same size, like 1M. Okay. Auto extend on. Okay. Next
1 MB.
1M and max. Okay.
Size unlimited.
Max size here you can give 1G, 2G, 10G, 20G,
Okay.
or unlimited. So
Yeah,
what
okay.
is the size? If you have given 1G, so only it will extend up to 1 GB. Then after you need to either you need to extend the size of the data file, means max size you need to extend it up to like 10 GB or 20 GB, or max size is unlimited. Either if you want like this data file will be increased only up to 5 GB. Okay, so here you can restrict it for 5 GB only. So here you can give max size 5G only. So it will extend up to 5 GB. Okay, suppose we have 5G. So what happened? Whatever the size we have given for this, okay, it will when it will full, then it will extend with 1 MB more, and it will extend up to 5G only. When it will completed the 5G, then it asks like you need to either extend the max size, or you need to add one more data file in the table space. Okay.
Yeah, okay, bhai.
You can give the command like this also. So here it's alter. Now again
Yeah.
we can run the same command. And here we can see in
Yeah, new data file is added.
yeah, here we have in test02 table space, we have 2 data file. Okay.
Yes.
So for one data file, we auto extend is disabled, and thus for second, the auto extendable is enabled.
Yes.
Okay. So
Yeah.
all means how to create a table space and how to add a table space. This is the command to create and add a table space in a database. So this
Okay.
is the command to create a new table space, and also I have given one more table space on the top, means like with the auto extend.
Yes, right.
So this is the command how to create and how to add a data file in a table space. So for ID, this command is same. Also, you can give the size only. You cannot give the auto extend on and everything. So
Yes, bhai.
that file is also auto extendable. If you not given the on, then auto extendable is disabled. Okay. Now
Okay.
I will show you how to enable the auto extend and how to disable the auto extend. So for
Okay, bhai.
this, we need to give the alter. Suppose if you are going to add a table space, in that scenario, you need to give the alter table space and table space name. Means
Yeah.
you should uh, like uh, uh, what we can say, uh, uh, you should specify the table space name, means like in which table space you want to add the data file. So that's why you
Okay.
need to use the alter table space and table space name and add data file. Okay. But
Yeah.
suppose if you need to increase the size, like suppose we are having the only 1 MB size. Okay.
Okay, right.
I want to resize this data file size. I want to resize it. So what you will do? So in that scenario, you cannot use the data file because you want to resize the data file only. Okay.
Yeah.
So in that scenario, what you will do? You will use alter database. So if you want to add a data file in table space, so you need to specify the table space name. So you need to use the alter table space and the table space name. Okay. But
Yeah.
if you want to do something for a particular data file, so in that scenario, you cannot use the table space name. You need to use the alter database data file. Okay. And the
Okay.
data file name. Okay.
Yeah.
So it means we are giving the alter database data file, means we are going to do something for a particular data file.
Yes.
Okay. So what I
Yeah.
am going to do, suppose for test02, our auto extend is off. Okay. So what
Right.
I'm going to do, I am going to enable the auto extend. So auto extend on, next one name, and max size unlimited. Okay. So
Yeah.
what we are doing, a particular data file, we are going to enable the auto extend, which is disabled. Okay.
Yes, right.
We are going to enable the auto extend, means we are going to perform something for a particular data file.
Yeah, bhai. Right.
Okay. So if we are going to perform something for a particular data file, in that scenario, you need to use the alter database. Okay.
Yes.
So always remember, in an interview, always interviewer asks how to add a data file. Okay. So in
Yeah,
that scenario, you need to add, you need to keep this command. Okay, like we can add the data file by using command alter table space name, add a data file, give the data file name and whatever the size we want. Like we
okay.
want to keep, we need to keep the auto extend on if we want, and we need to give the next how much size you want to extend your data file and give the max size. Okay, but if
Yeah,
the viewer asks how to resize a data file, okay, so
yeah.
because they will confuse, means like why they are asking the question, they want, means like they are playing with your mind.
Yes, right.
Always remember, means like interviewer always ask. In my career, whatever the interview I have given, around 70-80% interviewer asks the same question, means like how to resize the data file.
Okay.
Okay, so I will show you how to resize, but I am showing you, means like that's why I am saying, if you are going to perform something for a particular data file, in that scenario you need to use the alter database. But if you are adding a data file in a table space, in that scenario you need to give the alter table space.
Yeah, okay.
So always remember this command. Now here, what we did before that, the test2 dbf data file auto extend was off, but now we have enable it.
Yes,
So
right.
now we need to check the auto extend here. And here we can see now the auto extend is enabled for this data file also.
Yes, right.
Okay. And the
Yeah.
same command, if you want to, like, as I told you, like suppose your /u01 mount point is going to full. Okay.
Yeah, right.
So what you will
Yeah.
do, you will add a data file first in that table space, like we have 2 table spaces. Okay. So what you
Yeah,
will,
right.
you will add a third data file in the test02 by using this command. You need to add the third data file, whatever the means name you want to give. You can give test2, test3, test4. Okay.
Yeah.
And to the another mount point. Here we are adding the data file, or we are creating the data file in /u01 mount point.
Yes, right.
And now we are we are saying like now /u01 mount point is going to full, and I wanted to add the data file, or I wanted to move my transaction to the other mount point. So what we will
Yeah.
do, we will add a data file, we will give the different mount point. Okay, and whatever the directory you have created at that mount point. Okay, so you need to give that directory path, and then need to give the third file name. Okay,
Yeah.
and give the auto extend and everything here. And then after, by using this command, by using alter database, and give the data file name, and here
Yeah.
we give the auto extend off.
Okay.
Okay, so what I
Yeah.
auto extend off.
Okay.
Sorry.
Hello.
So this is the command.
Yeah, bye.
So what happened? We have added the third data file to the another mount point, and now we are disabling the auto extend on the /u01 mount point. Okay, so by
Okay,
using
bye.
you can disable it, and now we can disable the second one is also. So for second one, we can also disable. So
Yeah,
it
bye.
what happened now, the next time whatever the transaction will come in the test02 table space, so it will go to the third data file, because we have
Okay, got it,
the
bye.
auto extend. Okay,
Yes, right.
whatever the data come for the test02 table space, so those data will go to the third data file. Okay, because
Okay,
we
bye.
disable the auto extend for this data file.
Got it, bye.
Okay,
Yeah.
so these are the thing. Now I need to Now here you can see we have disabled the auto extend for this particular data file. Okay.
Yes, right.
But we have given the 1 MB size only. Okay.
Yes, yes.
And now suppose we have given the 1 MB size and I want to increase the size. I want to resize this data file. So how we can resize it? Because we have given only 1 MB and I want
Yes.
to resize this data file. So what you will do? The same command you need to give up to here. Okay.
Okay, yes.
Alter database data file resize.
Okay, resize.
Yeah, give the 5M. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
The resize command means before that the file size was 1 M only, but now
Yes.
the file size is 5 MB. So
Yes,
always
right.
remember add data file. This is the different command. Resize
okay.
the data file. This is the different command. Add data file means we are adding a space in the table space. Okay. And resize data files means we are resizing a particular data file.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
If
got it.
we are resizing this data file, it means the table, we are not resizing this data file. We are resizing this particular data file. And both data file is available in test02 table space.
Yes.
Okay. So we are just resizing a particular data file. We are not resizing the complete table space. So for
okay.
space, you need to add the data file. Then your table space size will be increased. Okay. If you are adding, if the table space need to be add a data file. So in that scenario, you are adding a data file in the table space. Okay.
Yeah.
And the resizing means we are just resizing a particular data file, not the complete table space. We are resizing the particular data file. So if always remember means as I told you in the multiple interview, interviewer have asked to me like how to resize a data file. So always means the DBA has the command in mind there means in their mind all the data files uh, is in a table space. So what they are saying alter table space and data file name and then resize and give the size. No, this is not the proper command. If you want to add a data file in a table space, in that scenario, you need to give alter table space. But if you want to resize or if you want to extend the max size or if you want to enable or disable the auto extend, in that scenario, you need to use the alter database data file.
Okay.
Yeah, so this command, always remember these two commands. So what we have seen, how to create a table space, how to add a table space, means how to create a table space with auto extend on, next and max size. And already I have shown you how to create a table space with size only. We do not use any auto extend on or anything. Means that data file auto extend was disabled. And then I have shown you how to add a data file in a table space. I have shown you how to enable or disable auto extend and how to resize a data file. Okay.
Yes, bye.
So created is done, adding is done, auto extend enable and disable is done, resize is done. Okay. So
Yes,
these
bye.
are the regular data file. Okay.
Okay,
These
regular
are
database.
regular data file. But how to create a temporary table space? Okay.
Okay, bye.
Here we have given create table space name.
Yes.
Okay.
I have one more doubt, bye. One doubt I have it.
Okay.
So starting you are direct created one that table space create table space name you given.
Yes.
So later you are like change like create table space test 02 you added data file.
Yes, create table space name.
So my doubt is first we have to compulsory create table space separate command is, then only we can use the next command by create table space test01 data file, right?
Yeah, right.
So without having table, my doubt is, can you go up by? Can you go up, please? Scroll up.
Okay.
So first you given a command like create table space. Where is it?
Yeah, this is the command, the first one.
Uh-huh. The test01. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. Bhai. Yeah. Okay. Understand.
Yeah, the first one is we have created with the auto extend option and with the max size. Okay.
Right. Right. Yeah.
Okay. And the second one, uh, and in the second one, we have created with size only. We
Yes.
did not
Right. Right.
use the auto extend, we did not use the max size.
Okay. Bhai. Got it.
Yeah, so that's why here it was showing auto extendable is disabled. Okay, so if
Okay.
we do not use the auto extend, then when this data file, if suppose transaction come to this data file, so if this data file will be full up to 1 MB, will be occupied
One MB only.
1 MB size, then after
Yeah.
it started to give you the error, like you need to extend that, you need to add a data file in the table space, or you need to enable the extendable, or
Got it.
it gives you like key unable to extend the size in the table space. So in that scenario, what you can do, you need to check auto extend is on or off. If auto extend is on, you need to check the data file size. You can check the size on OS level also. It will give you like the this data file test02.db, how much size currently it have on the OS level. So you are seeing like it have only the 1 GB of size, and the auto extend is off. So directly what you can do, you will just enable the auto extend. So it is
Yeah.
starting
Got it. Bhai.
to insert the data in the data file, or you need to add a data file in the table space. Okay.
Okay. Bhai.
I have shown you how to create a table space with auto extend, with max size, how to create a table space without auto extend, how to add a data file in a table space. Okay.
Okay. Bhai.
Yeah, how to add a table space, how to uh, enable the auto extend for a data file by using alter database data file. So how to enable the auto extend, how to disable the auto extend, and how to resize the data file, how
Yeah.
to
Got it. Bhai.
the data file. So these are the command. And always remember, on production database, if you added a data file in a table space, and
Yeah.
like suppose you wanted to add a data file in test01, okay, and by
Yeah.
mistake you have added a data file in the test02. So by
Okay.
mistakenly you have added. If you have added, okay, so you
Yeah.
cannot drop the data file from the table space by mistakenly, or
Okay.
uh, means like if you added a data file in a table space, you cannot drop on production. So always remember, either
Okay. Bhai.
it by mistakenly, or means like you know that yeah, I wanted to add in this. But if someone come to you and saying like I wanted to add this data file in that table space, so can you remove that data file and can you add the data file in this matlab like test01? So directly you
Yeah.
can say no, I can't drop. If you wanted to add the data file in test01, then definitely I will do. But if
Okay.
I added a data file in a table space, so on production, always remember, don't drop that table space. Don't drop that
Okay.
data file.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Understand.
Yeah. So always remember this. So these are the command for the regular table space. Now I will show you how to create a temporary table space in data file, because in temporary we have something different, not much, but little bit different. So means like every person know, like we are creating a table space by using create table space name, and that we have given the means like whatever the command they know for the
Yes,
regular.
right.
So they trying to create that table space by using create table space name only. But
Yes, right.
ready table space, it will not consider that table space. Suppose here, let me show you. Like I am creating a table space. I am giving regular command.
Yeah,
Whatever
right.
regular command we have given for the regular table space. So I am giving that regular command like create table space, like temp 02. Okay, data.
Yeah.
Okay, and I
Yeah.
am giving the temporary data file name 2.dbf. Okay, and the size 1M. Okay, so I have created. Now
Yeah.
I am checking in temporary table space here. So I am seeing here it's showing whatever I was getting before the creation. I am seeing the that one only, but I'm
That's
not
right.
see that table space temp02. So if you check this in the regular table space, so it will show you in the regular table space. Here you can see. Here it's giving
Ah, yes.
temp02
M02.
is available in the regular, but it's not available in temp. So this is not the command to create a temporary table space. So what you will do, you need to give the command how much time is available. I think time is going,
7 minutes is left, man.
yes, 7 minutes left.
Ah, yes, 7 minutes left.
Okay, so in 7 minutes we can complete. So for
Okay, bye.
temporary, we need to give the create temporary
Okay.
table space.
Acha, okay.
Okay, create
Yeah.
temporary table space and give the temporary table space name like 03.
Ah, okay.
Create temporary table space name temp file. I'll give the temp file name. Okay,
Yeah.
you need to give the temp file name like 03.dbf. Size 1M. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay, file size is specified in smaller than minimum required. Okay.
Yeah.
Now
Created.
we are able to
Yes.
create a temporary. Now, if
Yeah.
we will check in the, if we will check in the
Regular table space. Regular
regular,
table spaces.
so we will not get in regular. But
That's right.
if we will check in the temporary, if we will check in the temporary, so here we can see the second temporary table space is available.
Yes, right.
Okay, and also
Yeah.
like why it's showing no, because we do not give the auto extend, so that's why it's showing. So for that
Yes, yes.
the command is same, enable and disable auto extend, and giving the max size, give the auto extend on. Okay, and resize.
Yeah.
Command is same, alter like database and data file. The command is
Yeah.
for temporary and data file. But for creating a table space, the command is different. If you want to create a temporary table space, it means you need to give the temporary table space name.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So for temporary, you need to create temporary table space and table space name and the temp file. Then database will consider that file or that table space as a temporary.
Okay.
Yeah. So
I have one doubt, bhai. So
Hmm.
you give command like create temporary table space. Temp03 we given means compulsory we have to give some file
no,
location
you
like
can
temp file, right?
it's like temp03. It means this is the temporary
Table
table
space name.
space
Table
name.
space.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's a temporary table space name, and data file means like we are creating a table space, but we need to specify, as I told you, the table space name is logical thing. Okay.
Okay.
But
Right.
the files is physical, where your data
Okay.
is going to be restored.
Yeah, I understand.
Okay.
So for every table space, when we are creating compulsory, we have to create at least one data file, right?
Yeah,
For
in a table space, also a table space should have one one data file. At least will have one data file.
yeah, understand. Minimum one data file. Okay.
Yeah, minimum one data file is required, because
Yeah.
without data file you cannot create a table space.
And one more thing, by for creating table space, any specification is there like selecting or creating any block size is needed to create table space? Particular example we discussed before, like database have some blocks are there like 4 KB, 8 KB, 16 KB,
So
and 30
block
KB.
size is like default for all.
Okay, fine.
Okay,
So
so
default is that it is a
if you
8 KB
want to
taking
change,
here.
if you want to change the DB block size, then in that scenario you need to change this parameter one. So
Acha,
it
acha,
will,
okay.
it will consider for all.
Okay,
Yeah,
understand.
all the table space is using the 8192 block size. But if you want to change, then you need to change the block size here.
Okay, bye.
Yeah, if you change the block size is 16K or 4K, so it will applicable for all the table space.
Okay, got it, bye.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So means the block size is like whatever the block size we have set up for not the particular data file, it will like applicable for whatever the if you want to change the block size, so you need to change the DB block size parameter. So once you change,
Okay.
automatically it will consider whatever the like things are everything. So it will consider for all the table space.
Okay, bye.
Okay.
Got it.
This is the like table space creation, enabling and disabling the auto extend, and adding the data file, resizing the data file, creating the temporary table space. And for resizing and all, means like the command is same for all temporary.
Yeah, okay, understand.
Okay. So now
Yeah,
I think the session is going to be
complete by with less than 1 minute.
so after that, we will connect it again, and then I will show you the drop, means how to drop the data file, means like table space and data file.
Okay, bye.
Okay. In drop, what happens if suppose a table space do not have any data. Okay. So
Okay, bye.
in that scenario, you will means like you can drop that table space directly.
Yeah.
So there is a two things, including content and data file. Okay. So
Yeah.
if we are including content and data file, means whatever the data is available in the table space, it will